All right, it is time for a cup of Linux Quickie. Some of you mentioned that you were having issues with Compiz since there was an update to Protobuf. Okay, and what I have done here is, I know a number of you who are running mCOLe. I decided I'd put up a little Quickie video because I wanted to address the issue, and thanks to one of the people on the mCOLe forums, they mentioned something I didn't think of: just rebuilding all of the Compiz sets against the new Protobuf, and that worked. And so what I've done is I've actually updated my repo in order to be able to bring that to all of you guys who are using mCOLe, or any of you who are using Arch Linux or mCOLe who want to be able to use the Shadow Kyogre builds of the Compiz 0816 series. And it's quite beautiful. I mean, you can do a lot of really amazing things, and it has a lot of special effects and features that just haven't come to light in the Compiz mCOLe and the Compiz 9 series that many of these distributions seem to be holding on to. I know the Debian project has picked up on the 0816, and so we're probably going to be seeing this in the upcoming Ubuntu flavors. So it's just something to keep in mind. So I've got some notes here, and let's go ahead and open a terminal. Let me show you how to set this up. A few little cosmetic changes to my system. I did something naughty. But that's not what this video is about. So let's go ahead and let's do sudo and your favorite text editor, and /etc/pacman.conf. So this will work on both Arch Linux and mCOLe, or any other derivative. Okay, and then you'll want to add this information that you see here into your pacman.conf file. Okay, so you will add, you know, the mCOLe 64. I don't have GPG key signing yet. Maybe I will eventually. So if you absolutely have to have that, you're going to have to build these packages from the AUR yourself. Otherwise, you can trust my builds. That is entirely up to you. I choose not to do that right now. Maybe down the line I might eventually do it, but for all intents and purposes, for the most part, this is where I pretty much throw everything that I build for myself out of the AUR, and I make them available to everybody who's using mCOLe. So if you want to trust my builds, then by all means, feel free to add this repo. Once you have done that, just save and close the file, and then sudo pacman -syy to update your package list. And then once that has been updated, and it looks like I need to run refactor again to update my packages on mCOLe, you use pacman mirrors, and on Arch Linux you use refactor to update your mirrors. All right. Once you have done that, if you're using a PAMAC, okay, you can go into repositories, and you'll see that mCOLe 64 is here. And you're going to see I have a bunch of really cool things thrown in here. You have the entire Compiz 0816 series. And you have a bunch of other little fun things thrown in here. So be sure to check it out. Some fun stuff. I use Persepolis for as my download manager. That thing is awesome. Maybe you might want to consider trying that. And I also have Shadow Fox. That's what's allowed me to have a nice dark theme all over Firefox, where the pages have light colored themes. So that's another neat thing. So there's a bunch of really cool things in the mCOLe 64. I figured I'd make it public and share with the community my contributions that I've done. So you have those available to you to install in your system should you decide you want to try those out. All right, well, that's all there is on today's Cup of Linux Quickie. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing next, but I'm sure I'm going to have something equally exciting coming up on Cup of Linux. So until then, have a beautiful Sunday, and we'll see you all next time. Peace out.